Don't tell anybody that we're here. It's a secret though. It's a secret lagoon. Alright, Philippine vlog is going off-road into a outside cave. Look at this place. Hello? Yep.
Open toilet.
Open toilet. There's a little alcove here where there's look at this. Secret lagoon. A secret cave inside the secret lagoon. Look at this place.
This the rock is the name is the volcanic.
Volcanic or limestone?
Limestone and volcanic.
And volcanic. Yeah, yung black, diba?
So every 100 years we going up.
Half an inch or 1 inch?
Yeah, 1 inch.
Every year.
Every year.
Yeah, roots are going up. Look at that roots from that tree hugging the cliff. Absolutely just fucking epic over here. Epic. Epic El Nido. It is. I can buy this island, make this my house here.
Yeah. We buy here.
Yeah.
Maybe soon. We come back here, we buy this island here.
You bet I will. The Philippine vlog.
Yes.
And we're in the secret beach or secret lagoon.
Secret lagoon.
Secret lagoon in El Nido. Freaking million people over there. We've got our private boat over there, the Hornbill. Private boat is the only way to go. You're on your own schedule. We give you lunch, enough lunch to feed the dogs and the cats on the beach. This is incredible.
Nice.
It's magic.
Okay.
Absolute magic. Got natural ferns.
And the sun.
And the sand is clean. A little bit.
Little bit sad,
A
clean.
little bit.
And also the water is very clear.
The water's really clear. There. That's funny. Everybody's having a good time. You know, chill vibes here in El Nido. Chill
Okay.
vibes. All right, now we're at Secret Island. This is so freaking beautiful over here. Look at this place. Come on, Philippines. Really? Every time I see something freaking incredible, there's more. There's more. Always more here. Moss. I already got my wish. I already got my wish. Apparently, the secret is there's like a bunch of people there, and we're going in where they are. Macy Arcelog, diba?
Eh di ba, kalabas-pasok naman yung ano.
So guys, waterfall.
Waterfall, yeah. It's a waterfall.
Ang ingay. Look now. Let's go there.
Where?
There.
We are at the secret lagoon, right? Apparently it's not so secret. Look at all those people. Not so secret. But there's my secret friend in the secret lagoon. will be like a Hollywood movie. You just take off that bra under the rain and just...
Uh-oh. Nakadalawa na siya dyan.
That's called untug. And the lesson for Tagalog today is untug. Bukul.
How many times I bang my head? I just bang my head there. Now I bang my head. It was stronger.
And it still hasn't fixed anything. You see?
Dyan dalawa
I
doon
forgot
isa.
who you are.
It's red.
Amnesia.
Bye, puppy.
Ano yan?
Gulay.
Bingo like school. Right.
This one.
Yes, diba?
Mas lindot ng bahali na, no?
Ha?
Mas lindot ng bahali na, ano?
Bahal.
Bahal?
Boy. Naalam mo ba, mas masarap yung ito.
Ang maganda na mo po ron, hindi na mainit.
Okay, now we're going to tour C after being done with tour A. Now we're going to do tour C on the Philippine vlog. Ang daming isda!
Nice. Perfect. Welcome to the secret extra island pool.